Okay, just having a look at this now. This is a faulty BCM that's been taken out, that we've taken out of a Mark 8 Transit. Okay, and this one has got the indicators have stopped working on the left hand side. All you need to do to take it apart is pull all the fuses out. Let's do it that way. Pull all the fuses out, which go in here. Okay, and then that pulls out to reveal the circuit board. Now, Ford, in their infinite wisdom, have decided to not bother soldering virtually any of the connections. They use these what we call push to fit. So every single one of these blocks that plug in are not actually soldered. They are pushed. If I can get it close enough, they're just pushed in. I mean, that is absolutely terrible. They are having no end of problems with these BCMs. First thing I would do is resolder every single connector, solder it properly, every connector, and then try it again. Now, they've got some relays and some transistors, but there's a good chance that this relay, one of these relays, is no good. But the thing is, the customers bought themselves a new BCM and they want it fitted. But I just wanted to take this one apart and just have a look on the inside, and it's awful, absolutely awful. What crap design, and no wonder Ford are having so many problems with their Mark 8 body control modules. Okay, thank you for watching.